Hello everyone. Let's match object to its sound. Today letter is U. Letter U makes the sound. The next letter is V. Letter V makes the V sound. Now we're going to find all the things that begins with a sound and all the things that begins with a V sound. Are you ready? Let's go. Letter U. Letter U makes the sound. Now we're going to find all the things that begins with a sound and some of the things begins with a U sound. Umbrella. Upset. Up. Unicorn. Underpants. Under. Utensils. Union Jack. Ukulele. Unicycle. Uniform. Fantastic job. Well done everyone. We found all the things that begins with the and the U sound. Fantastic job. Well done. Letter V. Letter V makes the V sound. Now we're going to find all the things that begins with a V sound. Vegetables. Vase. Vine. Violin. Volleyball. Volcano. Vulture. Van. Vinegar. Vampire. Viz jacket. Fantastic job. Well done everyone. Now we've found all the things that begins with a V sound. Fantastic job. Well done everyone. Hello parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find money resources that you can download and help your child with their early reading, writing and math skills. I will leave a link in description. Thank you for all your support and happy learning.